What's up, respiratory world? This is Smart Vest chest physiotherapy device. You have your I'm gonna plug it in so we can get a better view of the modalities. This is for patient clearance, chest physical therapy. I don't know if you can see it, but you have the programs. You can pre-select the programs. Change the times. That's how it sounds in motion. Increase and decrease the hertz is with the frequency that it vibrate the chest with. Smart Vest therapy. This is our vest. Wrap it around the patient's torso. Connect this tubing to the end of this tubing. Pressure through the holes. Vibratory maneuver. Helps with secretion therapy. Patients that have difficulty clearing their secretions. Patients that may be cystic fibrosis patients. Patients that's I've never used it with an airway patient before. Typically, it could be patients that have or in the bed for a prolonged period of time. They have not great mobilization. They're not getting out the bed and walking around. You might put them on vest therapy. Sometimes you might get a little help. They have these come in medium and large. They get it around the patient because you have to get it around their whole torso in order to give them the therapy. But yeah, chest physical therapy is another maneuver that you can do chest PT with. You can also do the cup maneuver, but this is a maneuver we also use chest physical therapy.